What's up, guys? We got another sneaker unboxing today. Got these Hoka Tor Summits. We got both colorways, so we got the beige, and then we'll pull out the black here for you. These guys likely gonna sell out for us, as they're both pretty neutral colorways. The neutral stuff tends to go a little quicker than some of the crazier colors that Hoka does. But yeah, let's get into some quick details about the shoes. So you got this nice speckled outsole, beige on beige. So you got like a light colored beige on top of that darker beige. Pretty subtle, but it looks nice. And then just basically an all beige upper with the option to change it out with blue or orange laces. So you got a couple flavors you can choose from there to mix it up. Same with the black as well. So you got these blue laces, kind of a nice light blue. And then you got the black laces as well if you just want to go with that standard kind of neutral color. Yeah, some unique things with these guys compared to the Tors we've had in the past. So they have these metal eyelets on the upper. Adds a little bit of durability there. You got this splash guard or mud guard that goes all the way around the shoe. So if you kick a root or a stump or a rock or something, you won't tear the shoes up too much. Kind of the intended use too, obviously, is hiking shoe. You got this chunky lug on the outsole, so plenty of grip, whether you're walking around in the icy streets of New York or hiking out here in the trails of Boulder, Colorado. Good for a little bit of everything. Cushion wise, so not gonna feel like a pair of Bondies where it's that super plush cushion. It's kind of in the middle, but you want that. Adds a layer of stability if you are truly using them for hiking. Yeah, same with the black though. Got that sort of speckled outsole there. A little harder to see, but nice light gray on top of black. Same details though. You get this nice mud guard going all the way around the shoe, these metal eyelets. Yeah. After this, we'll do a quick on body just to kind of show you how we'd style them or what we typically wear with these guys. And just a heads up as well, they're releasing tomorrow, January 26th. Keep an eye on our Instagram just to keep updated as far as the time and everything. But they're likely gonna sell out. So if you're interested, I'd pull the trigger pretty quick. If you like this video, leave a comment, leave us a like, comment, subscribe. Tell us what you'd like to see in the future. All right.